Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are beginning issue 36 of our Ecto-1 build. We have got to be getting close here. I don't know how many more issues we've got before we're finished, but we have stage 135 right here. So let's check out these parts, go from there. Okay, and here are the parts that we get with this issue. We got lots of stuff. We got the HVAC base, HVAC fan, HVAC motor, and this little thing right here is supposed to be the HVAC cable. We've got the cross-section sensitivity unit. And then we have this little bag full of parts. I don't want to take them out just yet because they're so small. But within them, we've got a gasket, a sensitivity unit switch. We've got, let's see, what is this? Sensitivity unit dials. We've got some more stuff on the sprue here. These are also dials, A and B, I think. Yeah, A. Okay, oh, A is black, B is silver. We've got all kinds of cables here, just labeled A through E by length, and what they call a grounding wire, which, by the way, does that look cool or what? That looks awesome. A whole mess of screws. I mean, we got all kinds of stuff going on here. This looks fun. Okay, we're gonna kick things off by attaching the fan, the fan to the motor. That post is gonna go right in the center on the underside, just like so. And from down top, we're gonna put in an IP screw. Look at that, perfect. We're gonna take the motor, we're gonna place it onto the base. Clearly, 4 posts, 4 holes, just like this. We're gonna use AM screws coming in from underneath to hold it in place. Look at that. All right, and we're gonna bring out this roof base here, and we've got our fan. Notice one side has these 2 outgrowths, and the opposite side has the warning. Warning goes towards the antenna, outgrowths go towards the edge of the base, like this. And in those 4 holes, we're gonna be putting EP screws. Beautiful, beautiful. With this in place, we can take the unit cable here. This is another tube. There's a little, I don't know how easily you can see this, but there's a little pin right here on the edge and another one here. And this cable is going to connect them. There we go. Now my hose actually had a little bit of a pinch in it, so I had to take a couple pieces off, but it does have enough length, so not a big deal. Look at that. All right, next up, we're gonna be filling most of these gaps here with these little buttons. We'll start with the specials. First up, we've got 2 of these little hammer looking things. And those will go in the bottom 2 corner spots. All right, these are supposed to be push fit, and this one fits just great. The second one, however, no amount of pressure is getting it to tighten up in there. So I hope you guys have some super glue standing by because you may need it. I do. All right, and it should look like this when you're done. 4 silvers and a black here, 3 blacks and 2 silvers here. I gotta tell you, these silver buttons did not want to go in. Black buttons slid in nice and easy. Silver ones, nothing but problem children. What the heck? Oh, there are no extras on the sprues either, so be careful with these. They do like to jump out. All right, next up, we're gonna take the 3 longest cables. That's A, B, and C. We're gonna put them in this order, okay? So shortest, well, C goes in here. Wow, that is a tight fit, isn't it? There it goes. Whew. That's C, then B. And don't get these wrong, because getting them back out again is gonna be a pain, if it's even possible. Okay, there's B. Now we're gonna skip one and then do A. Excellent. Then we're gonna take D, that's next length. These are the only 2 left. One end of D is gonna go into here. So the hole we skipped. The other end is gonna go into the center hole over here. And then E will fill the remaining 2 holes. All right, look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. All righty, now we're gonna bring the base out again. And it's gonna attach right here. There are 2 posts on the bottom, 2 holes for those posts to go in. And we're gonna be using LP screws from underneath to hold it in place. All right, look at that. Now, all 3 of these cables are gonna come around and fill these holes. So, and in this orientation anyway, it's gonna be A, B, C. So, should be fairly simple. There we go. When you're done, you got something that looks like this. Almost done now. For this final bit, we're going to be using GP screws to attach the grounding wire. One end is going to go here. And I don't think it matters which end it is. The other end is going to go right here in that hole. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right, look at that. That looks amazing, actually. That really looks like braided wire. I don't know what they used for this, but this actually looks like braided wire. I love that. Looks amazing. Anyway, here we are. This step in building our roof assembly is complete, and this thing is coming along gorgeously. I really hope you liked the video. This is the end of the stage, end of stage 135. So we're gonna have to end the video here, but if you did enjoy it, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.